Hey everyone, I am Mohammed Gibran Rehan, and welcome to my channel Screen and Dream. If you are new to YouTube and do not know how to upload a video, do not worry, I have got you covered. First, make sure your video is saved in MP4 format and ready to go. You can record using your phone or computer. Next, open youtube.com and sign into your account. Then click the Create button on the top right and select Upload Video. Click Select Files, find your video, and let it upload. Add a clear title, a detailed description, and tags related to your video. This helps YouTube show your video to more people. You can choose a thumbnail or upload your own. Select if your video is made for kids or not. Choose whether your video is public, unlisted, or private. I recommend public if you are ready to share it. And that is it. You have successfully uploaded your first YouTube video. If this helped, please like, share, and subscribe to Screen and Dream for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Credits: Mohammed Gibran Rehan, Screen and Dream.